Alright, we're going to be doing a project today. I got a 2006 through 11 Honda Civic 4-door sedan. I bought some Auxbeam LED headlights. I also bought the LED bright lights, and I also bought yellow LED fog lights. We're going to be installing fog lights into the Civic today. And just look at the quality. So I've owned about 15 different brands of LED headlights, fog light bulbs, and by far my favorite is Auxbeam. The other companies that I've purchased from are usually just a cheap Chinese company, and they do last for about a year, but they all start acting up. Like one side will stop working on the cheap Chinese ones, or they start flickering. But I really do like the Auxbeam headlight, or the LED bulbs they make. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, this past weekend I had a chance to install, I bought new LED regular driving lights, I bought LED bright lights, and then I bought the yellow 3000K fog lights, all by the company Auxbeam. I've owned several different brands of LED lights, probably about 15 to 20 different brands of them, and most of them are all made in China, only last a couple, I don't know, probably 6-8 months, maybe a year, but they always give you an issue. So just wanted to show you the Auxbeam that I'm happy with. As you can see, the regular lights are 6000K, which gives it just a super clean white look. And I wanted something different for the fog lights. Like I said, those are 3000K, which give the yellow look. I'll try to move the camera here to give you a different angle. Still kind of hard to tell for sure, but and this is also about sunset, so I can show you also here in a little bit once the sun goes down. But here, I'll hit the bright lights for you. But give me about 20-30 minutes and I'll do this video again for you once it's completely dark. Here it's about 15 minutes later, just a little bit darker. Hopefully you guys like the lighting. We'll come back about another 15-20 minutes. Hopefully it'll be dark. I don't know if it's too dark now for you to be able to see this or not, but like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. but very good light output. I think it looks killer. Hope you guys like this. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below to the fog lights, the low beams, and the high beams. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.